So here I have already drilled some holes in this angle. It will connect the platform to our machine. It will be fixed over here this way, and this board I have drilled some hole before. Now let me mark the missing holes. And I will mark from which portion we needed to be above this angle. And on this specific while drilling the hole, and this large hole will be for the motor. Well, I have already done the calculations, so I have drilled the holes for them. And here I am using this pin from the electric plug to put on the motor as the wheel, but it's quite loose, so I will wrap some tape on it. Well, it's still loose. I will wrap this Teflon tape. It will hold it better. It provides quite better grip. Well, it needed to be fit well or it will be free while taking a load. And here I am using this pen grip to provide a grip to the belt we are going to fix on it. And for the another wheel I am using this plastic pipe. I will insert these two bearings inside, and we will get a nice wheel. To hold this bearing we need this screw to be put inside. And for the third wheel I am using the same the plastic pipe, and I will insert these two bearings inside. And this way we got the three wheels we are using in this mechanism. Well, you can use 2 or 4 wheels, it depends on your mechanism. Well, 3 is better, I guess, so I am using these 3 wheels. Well, now we have to place these 2 wheels on here, which I have already marked the holes. And the wheels needed to be free and it don't be touching the surface. Well, for that we have used the bearings of course, and still we needed to be, to keep some gap between the wheels and the surface. And similarly we will put the third wheel. And now we have to fix this thing on the platform. Well, I already marked the holes. We just needed to put the screws and be ready to go. And now we remain with the belt, the most important thing of this project. For that I am using this around 1 inch wide belt. Well, I have to mark before it's larger than the required size. I will cut the excess part and then we will stick it this way. But before that I will remove the sands from this area. Okay, here we go. I will apply this strong glue. And after some time we will get a strong bond. And this way I will leave it for a couple of hours, and now I will put glue on these wheels to provide a grip. Let's put this belt on the wheels and it's ready to work. Here I have used a 12 volt adapter for this motor. Hope you like this video and sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.